Kasama sina DHSUD Secretary Aliling, Executive Commissioner Attorney Reyes Beltran, NHA General Manager Tai, Pag-ibig CEO Acosta, SHFC CEO Laksa, and NHMFC President Tobias to signal the opening of the National Housing Expo 2025. Are you ready, Mr. President? At the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Maraming salamat po, mahal na Pangulo. Sa puntong ito, atin pong inaanyayahan ng ating mahal na Pangulo para sa isang tour sa ating 4PH program modalities. Sa puntong ito, ating nasasaksihan ang pagkakaroon ng ating presidente ng kanyang Pag-ibig Loyalty Card na kasalukuyang inaabot ni Pag-ibig Fund Chief Executive Officer Ms. Marilyn C. Acosta. Ang Pag-ibig Loyalty Card ay nagsisilbing membership and reward card mula sa humigit kumulang 400 partner establishments nationwide. Ito rin ay maaaring gamitin bilang cash card for ATM withdrawals, online payments, and MRT commuting fees. Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat and welcome to the National Housing Expo 2025. Today we are celebrating the National Shelter Month with the theme, Build Home, Build Happiness. Our goal is to raise awareness about the importance of housing and urban development and to highlight the efforts of the government, private sector, and civil society in addressing the country's housing needs. This showcase will serve as a powerful demonstration of the unity and collective support harnessed by Secretary Aliling, bringing together both public and private sectors to deliver on the administration's vision on inclusive, sustainable, and affordable housing for all Filipinos. Today, we are celebrating the National Shelter Month with the theme Build Home, Build Happiness. Our goal is to raise awareness about the importance of housing and urban development and to highlight the efforts of the government, private sector, and civil society in addressing the country's housing needs. This showcase will serve as a powerful demonstration of the unity and collective support harnessed by Secretary Aliling, bringing together both public and private sectors to deliver on the administration's vision on inclusive, sustainable, and affordable housing for all Filipinos. Binibisita po ni President Marcos ang PH1 World Developers, a company that aims to redefine real estate through innovation and engineering excellence. By integrating advanced technologies and forward-thinking designs, nakakapag-deliver ang PH1 ng efficient, modern, and sustainable housing solutions. Ang kanilang innovation-oriented model, tulad ng mid-rise engineered housing solutions, ay tumutulong sa malawakang pagpapatayo ng abot-kayang tahanan sa ilalim ng Expanded 4PH program. Kasalukuyan pa rin pong bumibisita si President Marcos sa PH1 World Developers, a company that aims to redefine real estate through innovation and engineering excellence. By integrating advanced technologies and forward-thinking designs, nakakapag-deliver ang PH1 ng efficient, modern, and sustainable housing solutions. President Marcos makes his way to the booth of the Sherman Group of Companies, which, through RS Realty in Zeta World, develops residential and mixed-use projects that balance functionality, style, and sustainability. Suportado ng Sherman Group ang kampanya ng pamahalaan na palawakin ang abot-kayang pabahay sa pamamagitan ng kanilang innovative designs at efficient construction practices. The President is continuing to make his way around our booths to meet our exhibitors. President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. visits the government's partner developers whose steadfast partnership plays a crucial role in making affordable and decent housing a reality for Filipino families. These developers support the nation's goal of creating inclusive, sustainable, and livable communities under the expanded 4PH program. Muli mga kababayan, ang Pangulo ng Republika ng Pilipinas, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.
Panahon na ng pagbabago, dahil sa ito'y kinakailangan, tayo na magtulong-tulong na maunlarin ang mahal na
pagbabago.
Maaari na po tayong umupo.
Sa ito ay kinakailangan.
At upang magbigay ng kanyang pambungad na pananalita at ibahagi ang mga accomplishment ng Expanded 4PH, atin pong tinatawagan si Chief Executive Officer ng Pag-ibig Fund, Ms. Marilyn C. Acosta.
Republika ng Pilipinas, Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. Pasensya na po, medyo kinulang sa height. Di ko abot yung... Sa butihing kalihim ng Department of Human Settlements and Urban Development, Secretary Jose Ramon Ping Aliling. Sa mga iginagalang nating kalihim ng gabinete na narito ngayon upang makiisa sa mahalagang pagtitipon na ito. Sa aming mga kapatid at mga pinuno ng ating key shelter agencies, sa ating mga partner developers, mga home buyers, at lahat ng panauhin, isang napakagandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Isang karangalan pong i-welcome kayo dito sa National Housing Expo 2025. Ang expo na ito ay tampok sa ating pagdiriwang ng National Shelter Month ngayong Oktubre. Sa araw na ito, makikita natin ang konkretong bunga ng mga sama-samang pagkilos ng pamahalaan at ng pribadong sektor upang maihatid ang disenteng tahanan para sa bawat Pilipino sa tulong ng Expanded Pambansang Pabahay para sa Pilipino or 4PH program sa ilalim ng pamumuno ni Secretary Aliling. Ang pagtitipon natin ngayon ay patunay ng pagkakaisa ng mga ahensya ng pamahalaan at ng pribadong sektor upang makapaghatid ng komprehensibo, praktikal at sustainable na solusyon sa pabahay. Sa araw pong ito, higit sa 100,000 housing units mula sa mga developers sa pribadong sektor at mahigit 30,000 acquired assets ng Pag-ibig Fund ang maaaring mapili at mabili ng mga dadalo nating kababayan sa tulong ng Pag-ibig Housing Loan. So kumuha na po kayo ng loan value card. Yan po ang pang-shopping ninyo. Ito po ay isa sa maraming mga tugon sa inyong direktiba, Mr. President, na maghatid sa bawat pamilyang Pilipino ng tahanang dekalidad, may dignidad at abot kaya. Tunay ngang napapanahon ang ating tema, Build Homes, Build Happiness. sapagkat ang pagkakaroon ng sariling tahanan ay naghahatid ng ginhawa, kaunlaran, komportableng pamumuhay at tunay na kaligayahan sa bawat pamilya. Mr. President, isang malaking karangalan po para sa amin na maibahagi sa inyo ang mga tagumpay ng Expanded 4PH program, mga bunga ng matibay na pagtutulungan ng DSUD, Pag-ibig Fund, National Housing Authority, National Home Mortgage Finance Corporation, Social Housing Finance Corporation, at Human Settlements Adjudication Commission, at ng aming mga katuwang mula sa pribadong sektor. Kaya po, Mr. President, inaanyayahan po namin kayong panoorin ang video na ito na nagpapakita ng mga pangunahing tagumpay ng Expanded 4PH program. Muli, maraming salamat po at welcome po muli sa National Housing Expo 2025.
Yan ang prinsipyo ng ating pambansang pabahay para sa Filipino Housing Program. Pabahay na may dignidad. Walang iniiwan, walang isinasantabi, at walang pinababayaan. Hangad natin bumuo ng komunidad na may maayos na tirahan at kumpletong pasilidad. Sa ganitong sistema, mabibigay natin ang mas maginhawa, mas maunlad, mas komportableng pamumuhay para sa bawat pamilya. Pagka sinabi natin housing project, hindi lang po ibig sabihin ay may bahay. Ibig sabihin, isang buong komunidad ang ating binubuo.
We are being guided by the President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. himself. As a primary government agency responsible for housing, human settlements, and urban development, we aim to transform the housing landscape in the Philippines to realize the Bagong Pilipinas vision of ensuring every Filipino family has a home. Genuinely inclusive by including horizontal developments and revive the community mortgage program to enable informal settler families to acquire land tenure and transform their areas. We are also developing rental housing for the most vulnerable and unprivileged who may not have the capacity to purchase housing.
Meron na po tayong Pag-ibig 4PH program. Meron na po programa ang interest rate is 3% for 4PH buyers.
Building on the success of our Zero Backlog program, we've simplified the application process for the 4PH program, eliminating unnecessary steps and requirements to empower beneficiaries to engage with developers, key shelter agencies for faster home ownership.
At ito rin ang binilisa ng ating mahal na Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. Pagdating po sa korupsyon, kilala niyo ako, nakatrabaho niyo po ako. Zero tolerance po tayo sa korupsyon.
The Department of Human Settlements and Urban Development and its attached agencies, Pag-ibig Fund, Social Housing Finance Corporation, National Housing Authority, National Home Mortgage Finance Corporation, and the Human Settlements Adjudication Commission are united